This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this Excel tips and tricks video, I will be teaching you how to highlight the empty cells and also how to count these empty cells or blank cells. But before that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel, and also if you need any of our courses or packages, offline videos, please do contact us. We will be providing the link for downloading all our offline videos. And this will be very affordable and very less cost, which you can learn without using internet as well. All right, let's see how we can use this options of highlighting the empty cells and counting the empty cells or blank cells. First option is we can use a shortcut key Control G or F5, or we can also go to this home tab, and here I have this find and select. Here I can use this go to special. Click on this go to special. We'll get a small window like this where we can select the blanks. So what we have to do is first select all the cells wherein we need to select the blank cells. Once we select the range, we'll go to this find and select, and we'll click on this go to special. We can see that we have this blanks option. Click on this and say OK. Once I click OK, we can see that all the blank cells are highlighted. We can go to this font fill color and we can highlight the cells. Second way is we can use this find and replace, and we can highlight the cells or count the empty cells. Let's select this range. Control F is the shortcut key. When I press Control F, we get this find and replace. Once we select this, make sure that you are selecting looking in as values. By default, it will be formulas. Select that as values. And make sure that we have this match entire cell contents is enabled. Suppose if this is unchecked, make it checked so that we can select the entire cell contents for what we are looking for. Don't press anything here, don't type anything here, say find all. When I click on this find all, you can see that all the cells with the blanks, the cell empty cells will be selected here. You can see that it says 5 cells found. If you want to highlight, press Ctrl A. When I press Ctrl A, all the cells which found here in this find and replace window will be selected here, and then we can go to this font group and click on this fill color. You can see that the cells are highlighted. We can count the empty cells by using the formula. We have a formula called count blank equals count blank. It asks for the parameter for range. Let's select the entire range where we need to count the blank cells. Close the bracket, say enter. We can see that I'm getting 5 as the count. That means we have 5 empty cells. We can use count A formula also for counting the blank cells. Let's see how we can use this count A for counting the blank cells. Equals count A. Count A will count all the non-empty cells. But how this can be used for counting empty cells? Press count A and select the range. When I select the range, this will give me the non-empty cells. So there are 45 non-empty cells. Next step, what we'll do is we'll say equals, we'll count the number of rows, close bracket. We'll get the number of rows. We'll multiply this with number of columns. I will select this number of columns, close bracket, enter. Now I will get the number of cells available in this range, that is the number of rows multiplied by the number of columns will get the total number of cells in this range. And next step, we'll take this count A, select the entire range, close bracket. This will subtract the number of cells which are available, that is non-empty cells. So you can see that the total number of range, the number of cells minus the non-empty cells will give me the empty cells here. So this way you can use count A formula for getting the non-empty cells as well. So these are some of the options which I have to show you for highlighting empty cells and counting the blank cells or empty cells. If you think you need our offline videos, please do contact us. We will provide you the link for downloading all our offline videos of courses and packages. And this is very affordable price, very less price. You can download and watch this offline. I hope this video was useful. And if you think there are more ideas of highlighting and counting the empty cells, please put that in the comment box. This will help me also to learn something new, and also the people who are watching this video can learn something new. And if you think this video was useful, please do share this video and also subscribe to our channel. This will encourage us to make more videos like this. And keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.